show you how to make a paper mosaic inspired by Alma Thomas. The things you will need for this project are a piece of background paper, it can be whatever color you want, different colored pieces of paper that are either cut into tiles or ripped into tiles, and then a glue stick or a glue bottle, either works. This project is really fun because there's so many different ways you can combine these elements on your paper, so really have fun with this and be creative. Here we go with how to make a mosaic inspired by Alma Thomas.